Welcome to a special episode of Tricks of the Trademark with me, Erik Pelton. On this special episode, we're celebrating our 25th year as a boutique trademark law firm with 25 special episodes featuring 25 tips. There are so many ways to use your trademark. I'm going to give you 25 ideas in this list, and let me know if you think of some other great ones. And of course, be sure to like, subscribe, and share my content, please, so I can spread the message more about the benefits of trademark registration and working with an experienced attorney. You can use your trademark on your website. Of course, that's a no-brainer. On letterhead. Remember, a lot of businesses might not print letterhead these days, but when you do, make sure to use your trademarks on it. Same with business cards. Same with note cards. I actually, a couple years ago, great investment, had some nice note cards made with our logo on them and our slogan. And every once in a while, to send a handwritten note makes a nice touch. Refrigerator magnets, a fun giveaway that somebody's going to keep and be reminded of your brand, perhaps. In your email signature, that's like a no-brainer, a way to get your brand in front of people all the time. On your building sign or awning is a great way to use your trademarks and let people know from the moment that they arrive at the destination that they're here with your brand. You can even put a trademark in lights. There's some cool new gadgets you can order online that will make a template with any logo to display in on a can light on a wall or ceiling. And I've noticed a couple of cars. I think it was a Ford Mustang that I rented. And when you open the doors at night, the bottom of the door shines down a little Mustang logo on the street below you, which is really, really cool and a nice touch of using the brand. Stickers, of course, stickers or temporary tattoos is a great way to promote your brand. If you go to trade shows, putting it on banners or other displays for trade shows, great way to use your trademark. Product placements in TV and film. We see these all the time, right? Oh, what kind of phone or laptop are they using? You know, in NFL games, you see product placement all the time on the coaches' headsets where they have a big ad on the side of it for Motorola or something like that. Product placement. How about in the opening scene of a video? Like if you record or release videos on your website or for your business and your brand, you can have a nice little intro that uses your logo, your brand, your trademark in the opening scene. Of course, on all your different social media profiles, you can use your trademarks. In domain name registrations, you can use your trademarks. If you have an app, on the icon for the app, you can use your trademarks. If you make shirts for your employees, customers, friends, colleagues, you can use your trademark. I just happen to have such an example right here. On coffee mugs, believe it or not, it's one of the few times I don't have a coffee mug in front of me, but you can brand coffee mugs, another great little giveaway to promote your brand and keep it in front of people's eyes. Same thing, giveaways of pens and pencils. A great giveaway we did years ago was seed packets. You could brand those with your logo and people can grow something and think about your brand. All types of promotional products, of course. There's a whole industry about branding promotional products with your trademark. So that's a whole category unto itself. We're now into the last 5 or so ways to use your trademark. Framing a registration certificate. You can see I've got some back here. When you get that trademark registration, I love it when clients send me pictures that they framed it and hung it in their office or in the hallway, somewhere where their employees, their customers are going to see it, or even if it's just them that sees it and knows how significant the brand is to their business and how proud they are of it. I think it's a great, great thing. You can put your trademark on invoices. You can put it on receipts. You can and definitely should put it in media kits if you make one for your business. A cool thing I've seen a lot of businesses do is order custom travel bag tags, right? when you're at the airport and you want to make sure that black suitcase with 4 wheels, of which there's hundreds of them, is actually yours, putting a bag tag with your company logo on it is a cool way to do that. Printed advertisements, whether it's a newspaper, magazine, flyers, something like that, great place to use your trademarks. And then finally, on the wrap of a car or a delivery truck, if your business has delivery, or van, or whatever it is. Of course, we see that frequently, but lots more brands could do that as long as you're putting something on the side of it. And as long as you're using it for work, why not promote your brand and your trademark to spread the message to as many people as possible? So that was 25 plus ways to use your trademark. You can find lots more about using your trademark, protecting your trademark, registering your trademark, building a bold brand, featuring a trademark, all in my book, Building a Bold Brand, and learn more about that at buildingaboldbrand.com. You've just listened to another episode of Tricks of the Trademark with me, Erik Pelton. For lots more episodes, videos, content, links, blog posts, and more, visit our website at www.erikpelton.com.